All right, Nick, what exciting activity are you up to?
We are pulling the lattice down.
What happened? Did you break this?
What did you do?
We were just talking and you just come out here and it all fell down. Loxley.
You broke it all.
I think it was you. What'd you say?
Did you just say it all fell?
Yeah.
Right, hello everybody. It's an exciting one this week. What are we doing?
We're getting a new roof.
We're getting our new roof finally. So
What a feature. Gone.
we've got Abby from Acres and Intersections coming over to give us a hand. Well, not us. I won't be doing much in this part.
Give me a hand.
Give you a hand. So old sheets are coming off. Second spare roof is coming out. The new roof's going on. So very excited because that is going to make a huge difference to our progress. I think we've been at a bit of a standstill waiting for it.
Yeah, be able to start making it. Well, as soon as this is done, to start hanging gyprock again. So it should start looking like a house.
And not an open frame.
No.
So we're pretty excited for this one.
Feels like ages ago I was throwing ceilings at you.
Yeah, we haven't had ceiling and half our walls for quite some time. So we're pretty excited for this one.
So, gent. All right. Abby and I got up on the roof and pulled a couple of sheets of tin off. And it's significantly worse than what we thought it was. So they've left this old roof. This is the roof here that I've done the new wall under, but this is floating in midair. That's floating in midair. That's floating in midair. The plan was to get this old tin out, but I don't know if we're going to be able to, looking at it. So yeah, we're just making a game plan. All right, update. Got all our bracing on. Got the first sheet on. And Stratco's given us the wrong screws.
Yeah, with cactus.
So we're doing the scrounge around, trying to see who's got some longer Metaltech screws, because of course it's a public holiday and nothing's open.
That's the tiny ones that you would use to put a fence up.
So whether they thought I was building a fence,
8 metre high.
an 8 metre high fence would be quite the sight.
Cyprus would love that fence.
But Albie's just using some of the old techies we pulled out just to get this sheet attached. And I'm just going to keep moving along with reinforcing this old roof up. There's some pretty sketchy stuff. The more you look at it, we got this one here is pretty well gone from termites. So we're just bracing it all up as we go while we got the roof off. Probably don't know if we get a chance to have a roof off to do that kind of stuff. Alright guys, finishing up for the day. So by the time we kind of made a game plan, got the old tin off, went, God, what have we got ourselves into? And then started to get the ball rolling. This is where we're up to today. So it's at 3 sheets on the long ones and a couple up the top. So it'll be a Bunnings run tomorrow morning. Get the right screws we need. Get some impact bits so it's not just one drill running, and then get stuck back into it. We're taking this old stuff out. We could probably leave it there, but while we're here we may as well do it right. But we'll see you tomorrow. Alright, this is where we'll leave you guys. So this is where we're at. Hopefully the next couple of days over this long weekend we'll get all this finished off. Swampy gone, chimney gone, whole new nice grey roof with minimal to none leaking would be ideal. But stay tuned. Alright guys, back at it today. So we've got Noel helping us today. Albie's back. I forgot to start recording earlier, but made some good progress. Reinforcing the timber. I'm just starting to pull the Swampy apart, so the Swampy is going to disappear in this roof upgrade. Jordan went out and got this black foam stuff that we're putting under the join, so hopefully this roof doesn't leak no more.
Right.
I don't know if you can see down there, but we've just got a whole bunch of loud mouths watching us work on the bleachers down there. Reinforcements have arrived, Swampy's out, so I'm making pretty good progress as we find more examples of amazing engineering, like that bit of timber, and then I think that other one's held up by rope. So yeah, it's going good. Alright guys, day 2 done. Got a fair bit done today. Probably over halfway, Albie? 2/3. Alison's yelling from the grandstands. So, Swampy's gone. Almost made it to the chimney. Once we get to the chimney, it's all cutting down, so we should be pretty quick this end all the times in this top part of the roof where we got to reinforce it all and make it actually connect to stuff and get all the old tin out. So I think we'll be pretty happy once we get to there. But yeah, that's it for today. See you when I'm looking at you. Alright guys, back at it. This is day 3 of the roof. So just to recap, that's what we got to. Swampy gone. Noel and Albie aren't here yet to help. Just getting up here before they get here, knock this chimney down. So then it's just rip all this old tin off, have the fun task of getting all that second roof out from inside it. And then we should hopefully be able to get this whole face of the roof done today. Would be nice. The chimney's the worst bit. So the chimney's the area that was actually leaking and caused all that mold into the house, which is why we sort of went down this whole path. But we'll do the whole lot anyway. This little face won't take too long. We'll just chuck the old flashings back on for now when we're all done, and then I'll order some new ones off Stratco in the morning. But pretty nice day. Lawn needs a mow. Reckons we were going to get a couple of mil, but I don't think we will. And we'll get into it. Nearly got the last of this tin out. We're on the home stretch of brace the top up there. Once we get this tin out, can put the next brace down the guts there. It's getting pretty windy though. The bomb said 30 degrees and sunny, and it's turned. So according to Noel, we've turned onto Easy Street. So that's the last of the tin out. That bit's just going to stay there, so good job, Noel. So it's just 3 bits of timber to go up now, and it's just all sheets. Okay. Simple. Easy. Easy. Alright guys, bit of an update. We're, as Noel said, turned off Easy Street and on home stretch. Got 5 or 6 more panels to put up there. Got 3 down here on the angle. And I think that's where we're going to call it for the day. Alright everyone, that's another big day on the roof done, but this whole section is all finished. So that side's a later job. All that's left now is just do some measuring up, call Stratco in the morning, get some new flashings made. These ones weren't the right ones to cover the gap. So we'll get some new ones of them, and that's it. It's looking good.